Problem number 1, we have 14 divided into 868. If you're using a multiplication chart, it doesn't go up to 14, so we're going to have to figure out what multiple of 14 is going to get us close to 86. Let's start with 5. So if we do 14 times 5, 4 times 5 is going to give us 20. We're going to put our 0 here, and we're going to carry our 2. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 2 is going to give us 70. I bet we can get a lot closer than 70. So let's do 14 times 6. 6 times 4 is going to give us 24. We're going to carry our 2. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 2 is going to give us 84. That's pretty close, but just in case, let's do one more. Let's do 14 times 7. 7 times 4 is going to give us 28. We're going to carry our 2. And 7 times 1 is 7, plus 2 is 90. Or it's going to give us 9, which is going to give us 98, which is way more than 86. So we're going to go with 14 times 6. So I'm going to put my 6 here and my 84 here. Okay, now we're going to subtract 4 from 6, which is going to give us 2. And then 8 minus 8 is 0. Bring down the 8. So now we have 28. I bet 14 times 2 will get us 28, because 2 times 4 is 8. And then 2 times 1 is 2, so that is 28. So we're going to put a 2 up here and bring our 28 down here, and that's going to give us 0. So our quotient, or our answer to our division problem, is going to be 62. Now, what mathematical operation can we do to check our division problem? Well, we can multiply. We can multiply our quotient by our divisor, which is 14. So we're going to multiply 62 times 14. Okay, so 2 times 4 is 8. And then 4 times 6 is going to give us 24. We're going to bring a 0 here because we're done with this ones position. And we're going to say 1 times 2 is 2, and 1 times 6 is 6. We're getting a little crowded here, but it'll be okay. So 8 plus 0 is going to give us 8. 4 plus 2 is going to give us 6, and 6 plus 2 is going to give us 8. So the product of our multiplication problem, 62 times 14, is the same as our dividend in our division problem. So we did our division problem correctly.